I feel good. It's a good opportunity. Many want it, but they cannot. So me being invited there is such a huge milestone. I really feel good. I'm happy.
Were you nominated?
No, I wasn't nominated.
No naddala abalenzi nga bakulaba okola ebyabakazi basomesa bwebityo
babeerawo ne banvuma. So me I tell them at least I'm doing something for myself. I'm doing what I love, so you continue speak what you want. You know, think in your own perspective, but me I know what I want and I know what I'm doing. So it's them, you leave them up to speak what they want. It's good to know what you are and what you are not. That's what I do.
waddayo ku ssomero okubeera mu community y'abanno wawuliranga otya?
Basically, I was still the same because they were used of me before I all became TikTok known. But even since from there, they would be like, "Oh, Brennan is there, Brennan this, but my fellow classmates, it was normal. I just felt normal. It was them over exaggerating everything.
Otugambe toyagala kubeera musomesa, kiki oyagala okubeera?
Njagala beera doctor.
Dokita wa bisolo w'abantu.
W'abantu naawe.
Abafaani waliwo kavidiyo kubateekayo, waliwo faani omu gwe nalaba n'agamba naye omwana oyo alina omukazi.
Asiina era saagala. Yes, I'm still too young to think of that. I have better things to think. I've seen that will come later.
Okay, you have better things to think about. Let's share with your fans. Which are those better things?
My education, my future. Social media is not the only place that I have to depend on in life. I have other things that I have to achieve. Yeah.
Like what?
What I want to be. So social media is a limit. That's the thing with people. Social media is a limited thing. Yes, you end trending today, everything will end there.
Kino ekyokubeera ku TikTok olina engeri gy'okifunyeemu?
Yeah, a lot. I've worked with very, very many brands. Omo, Jumia, Pulse. I've been given opportunities of acting in Power Magic, which is so rare. I'm not a professional actor, but they called me in to be part of them, which has really opened doors for me.
Mikwano gyo abali ku TikTok abali eyo abasinga TikTok bagikozesa bubi, naddala abamu bakozesa nnyo okuvuma abantu nga banoonya views. Bubaka kibuuzo bwawe?
What I can tell them is that yes, you'll abuse people. Ojafuna abuse. What have you gained? What have you gained from that? Yes, you are going to abuse. You are going to be known. You'll move everywhere. People are like, hey, that one. But what have you gained? What is it bringing to table? You have to think about that and think about your reputation. Sincerely, when I see you, you're only known for abusing, and you come to my place, let me say you're applying for a job, and I see this, I will have that perspective that if I'm to employ you, won't you now just abuse the whole staff?
N'oluzungu nga lungi. Tusogera koko ku Luganda, tulina abafaani bamanyi Luganda.
Oluganda si lumanyi bulungi. I don't know it very well. I want to see.
Your Luganda is Luganda lingi. Young people bakutunuulira ng'omu ku celebrity babe, gwe ani gw'otunuulira nga celebrity wo?
Wano e Uganda? Maybe I can maybe put in Spice. Spice Shiba there.
Ate Mbasajja?
Mbasajja. Eddie Kenzo so much.
Yeah. Have you met any of those so far?
Most times when I meet them, I don't go personally to them. I see them in events. I see them and I just normalize, you know. Just see them and continue.
Lwaki bagamba nti ebiseera ebisinga nti oli wakuba akajji ka TikTok mwematira nnyo?
Tetwematira nnyo. That's people's perspective. That's people's perspective, but that's not it. It depends on how you find someone. Sometimes we are not in the mood. Because every time you go over this one says, I want a pic. I want this and this, but you don't have that time, you know. So you have to have limitations too. Not that every person whom I meet I have to embrace, I have to do this.
Oyawula otya obulamu bwa celebrity ewaka?
At home. At home, me, I'm normal. At home, there is nothing like celebrity life.
Obeera ne bazadde bo?
Yeah.
Bo bakitwala batya okulaba muno obeera ku TikTok n'okola ebintu by'ekikazi ate nga toli mukazi?
They just tell me as long as you show people a different perspective out of TikTok, that's okay. You know, there's me doing that character and I come out in public when I'm still in that character. It doesn't make sense. So you have to show people that acting ends there and continue.
Togereko ku worst moment yo. Ngagwe like TikTok celebrity. What has been your worst moment?
Worst moments, mainly there have been very many. Straighting up from the comments and everything. Comments, everything. People when you go to public where they speak about you when you are hearing.
And then best moment?
Best moments are basically the opportunities I've grasped. I've been connected to some Hollywood actor. He's called Colton Haynes. He has been in very many series. He in fact followed me and contacted me and he was like, really, I love your work. You can go further with this. Continue it.
Bintu ki ebisinga ddala okunyiza?
Ngakivumo ki bali bakuvumye n'onyiga?
A lot. I don't want even to say it out, but a lot. A lot.
Kuvuma kyokka.
Kuvuma, just basically that, because that's the only thing that I see people do much. Attacking my parents because of what I do. Bagamba ntino them say at all follow me no what those things. Yeah.
Kale, nga tumaliriza holiday tuuse. It's going to be a long holiday eri abaana abato gwe n'abalala bonna. Message you, how are you prepared for this holiday? Ngagwe TikToker.
Holidays just there, making videos, going through life, you know. Finding other new ideas, because I shouldn't depend only on one and continue with life. That's it.
Muli muche wako gosingo butayagala. Muli muche waka gosingo butayagala. Ngo mwana abere wakane bazadde.
Koze bintu.
Kuchikuluma.
So I don't love that word. It's too
Go sembayo buto go soko bukulu.
Youngest, I'm the youngest.
Go sembayo buto. So you know koze ebintu. Kati ndiwe bali bakozeseza ebintu n'owulira nga test go bado ino byoza.
Very many times. Very many times.
Ani yabikozesa?
Mom.
Wamugamba otya?
I just told her, you of course you be there, mommy, but you just have to obey and continue. You are the youngest.
Message eri ba holiday makers bano.
Yeah, I want to just tell them, continue, respect your reputation. You know, people are having this trend that, you know, that to trend I have to release notes, have to release these videos, but that's not the thing. Follow what you want and everything will move on. Everyone wants to be rich, everyone wants to be famous, but you know, you have to follow paths towards it. It's not a shortcut to everything. Everything has a trail that it passes through.
Okay. Ka video kana kawakafu.
Oyagala omukolo gw'ogwenjawulo gubeere n'ebijjukize mu nnyumba yo? Kankwanjulire Backing Montage Photo Studio. Ffe bakafuluma okukuba ebifaananyi n'okukola video. Olina wedding, birthday party, kukyala, nika, baby shower, photoshoot oba music shoot na buli kimu kyonna ky'oyagala. Ffe tusobola okuwa ebijjukize ebirungi eri ebirooto byo. Ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo. Tusangibwa Nankulabe ku Bitaala, ku Prime Tower, Level 3, Room D04. Okumanya ebisingawo, tukubire ku nnamba zino: Note 7, Note 2, emu Note 4, emu 25. Oba Note 755 31 731 oba Note 777 Note 23 4 Note 5. King Montage Photo Studio. Ffe tusobola okuwa ebijjukize ebirungi ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo.